Marking fractional lengths on the number line. So this is the concept I am going to teach in this video. First, see this number line. Okay. So I will draw number line first. Uh, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc., so on. I mean, these numbers will continue till infinity. This side, after 0, this side -1, after -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. So this side numbers will continue. Like I will put dot 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 dot. Yeah, because of space. See this side like -1, -2, -3. So till minus infinity, this side numbers will continue. This side positive numbers after 0. This is 0. Then positive numbers +1, +2, +3. Here 0. Before this 0, -1, -2, -3, like that. So this is the number line. Okay. Now what is the concept? First I will draw a line. You will understand. One shaded line here. Not line, a box kind of thing I will draw. This is a box. Okay. Okay. See. So this is a box. This is the box. Okay. You have to find the length of this box, and you have to write it here. Okay, here what is that? Not just length, fractional length. Fraction means what? First, for example, see 5/6, this is a fraction. 2/3, this is a fraction. See, anything in the form of a/b. Okay, and this b should not be equal to 0, other condition. Okay, so anything that is in the form of a/b. Okay, this a and b are numbers. Okay, this a and b are numbers, and this b should not be equal to 0, and this upper part, this is called numerator. Okay, this lower part is there, no, that is denominator. That is denominator. Okay, so anything in the form of a/b, and this b should not be equal to 0. B is not equal to 0, so that is called fraction. Now see this 5/6. See, 5/6 is in the form of a/b. In place of a we have 5. In place of b we have 6. I said this a and b should be numbers. So 5 and 6 are numbers. And also I have given other condition. This b should not be equal to 0. Here b is 6. 6 is not 0. Correct? 6 is not equal to 0. So according to this 5/6 is there. So this 5/6 is a fraction. So fraction. Similarly, this 2/3 is a fraction. Fractions means we will write like this in a/b form. Okay. Now fractional length means this box is there, no? This box, its length, I mean from here to here. Length means this, starting from here, this is the length. Till here. So this is the length. So that is fractional length. So if you measure this length, that will be in the form of fraction. In this form, a/b form will be there. Okay. It's not whole number like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and all. It will be in fraction form like this, 2/3, 5/6. So a/b form. So its length will be in the a/b form. That's why they are telling fractional length. Got it? What is the meaning of fractional length? Okay, and this is the number line, I already said. Now marking fractional length on the number line. Okay, so this is the number line, and we are this length we have to mark here. This is the number line. So I will write here box, another a circle, all right. Okay, so we have to measure, see, we have to measure the length of this box. Okay, that length will be fractional length, that will be in the form of this, and that you have to write here. This is number line. If you write here, it is like you are marking this length on the number line. Okay, that's the meaning. I hope you understood. If you write the length of this here, it's like you are marking the length on the number line. Okay, that is the heading, marking fractional length on the number line. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we have to write the length here. Okay, we have to write the length of this here. Now how to find the length? Okay, for that, so just observe here. See, this is this circle. Video. Okay, in this we have to write the fractional length. Okay, so this circle lies between 0 and 1. This 0 and 1. So this 0 is the starting number. This 1 is like ending number. This circle lies between 0 and 1. This is starting number 0. This is ending number. Now first you have to find length from here to here. From here to till here. So how much it is? For that, first take this ending number 1 minus this starting number 0. So is equal to 1 minus 0 is how much? 1. Just 1 minute. Just I am back. You got it right? So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. That is, so the length from here to here is 1 unit, 1. Okay, I will write here. Next, see, this length we have to mark here, I mean here. See, this part you take. So this is exactly in the middle of this 0 and 1. So what is the meaning? This 1 unit is divided into 2 equal parts. So this entire 1 unit is divided into 2 equal parts. When you divide like this is one part, this is another part. Okay, so this whole length 1 is divided, that you write like this, divided. This is division symbol. This whole length 1 is divided. When I say divided, you have to write a line like this into how many parts? 2 equal parts. So this is one part, this is another part. How many equal parts? 2 equal parts. That 2 you write here. Okay, so this 1 by 2 is the length of this box. Okay, so the length from here to here till here, what is the length? 1 by 2. So that you have to write here. Got it? Okay, so this length is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is also called as half. HALF. Okay, I hope understood. how I found out the length of this box? So length of this box is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is also called as half. If I say half, that time you have to write 1 by 2. Okay. And thank you. Click on subscribe.